And maybe the representative, this photo of yours in other countries, represented our children are suffering there in Akon. So that donors will do something on us. They will build a school and they will even participate in another thing. So we are very pleased to see our brother, and it is grateful for us to have newcomers since we have opened this school. There is no one person come move to visit us here. Like Minister says, this is the first time we have a new visitor in our school. So I'm very pleased, and God will bless us also, and He will go back with the people, telling that I met teachers, students, PTA, and so forth in Akon, but the school is not qualified. Thank you, brother.
Thank you very much. I feel it speechless as well, but the message I will take with me to where I'm come from is my country too. I am a U.S. citizen, but this is my home, and I'm glad to be back. God save me. I would like to thank each and every one of you who stand here listening to what we are going to say, or what we are saying now. The first thing, I have to congratulate you all. Even though we know BA is still in trouble, but we still congratulate the whole community. I'm a member of Koro community, and my home is Akroch as well. But when you hear something, you may not really believe. But when you see, you gotta believe. I'm not feeling that bad, because these kids are the future of my country. Even though we've been called as a lost boy, because since we left here, we were displaced. People ran away. A lot of people got killed because of the threat from Arab. But we are asking now, if we are really people who believe in Christ, we might really provide the prevention like clean water, clinic for this kid, and school. Forget about the building. These people, they will actually do some part. Like this, they did it on their own. And I would like to welcome a toilet on to explain it. Akon community did this, and they did this without any help from other part of the government. That means they are ready to help themselves. I'm very glad to be with you. And I hope I will always be with you. Because the future I have seen here is motivate me. This is the real future. If you are really responsible, to respect each one another, then you are the future of new country. And the new country is yours. You might be friend of American, you might be friend of Australian, you might be friend of everyone that want to be friend of you, because you have the country. Nothing like the country. As I said, I'm two citizens. Yes. I'm American citizen. And I'm Southern Sudan citizen. I would like to give you one message. Just please, don't take school as something that simple. It is a part of your life. It's something that can make you to be who you want to be. Even though you can maintain your values, your dignity and integrity, you have to be you. I'm not going to prolong my speech, but I feel very happy. I'm even more than happy